Kwanzaa, honoring our ancestors and connecting with our community. The African diaspora refers to the movement of people of African descent to places outside of Africa, whether by choice or through the transatlantic slave trade. The African diaspora includes people from various countries and cultures who have all been influenced by the shared experience of being disconnected from our ancestral homelands. Kwanzaa was created in 1966 by Dr. Malana Karenga as a way to celebrate and honor the African diaspora and its cultural traditions. The holiday is based on the traditional African harvest festivals, which were celebrations of abundance and community. Kwanzaa provides an opportunity for people of African descent to come together and celebrate our heritage, while also reflecting on the challenges and struggles of our ancestors. The 7 principles of Kwanzaa, also known as the Nguzo Saba, are umoja, unity; kujichagulia, self-determination; ujima, collective work and responsibility; ujamaa, cooperative economics; nia, purpose; kaumba, creativity; and imani, faith. Each of these principles represents an important aspect of African American culture and serves as a guiding force for individuals and communities during the Kwanzaa season. One of the key themes of Kwanzaa is the importance of honoring our ancestors and the legacy they have left us. This includes remembering and paying tribute to the sacrifices and struggles of our ancestors, as well as celebrating the achievements and contributions they have made to our communities. During Kwanzaa, people light a kinara or candle holder with 7 candles. Each candle represents one of the principles of Kwanzaa. The kinara represents the original stalk from which we came, our ancestry. Kwanzaa also provides an opportunity for people to reflect on their own cultural heritage and the traditions and values that have been passed down to us. This includes learning about the history and customs of our ancestors, as well as exploring our own identity and sense of belonging within the African diaspora. Kwanzaa is a time for people to celebrate our culture and traditions and to connect with others who share our wonderful heritage. Kwanzaa is a cultural holiday that provides an opportunity for people of African descent to honor our ancestors and reflect on our heritage. Through the celebration of the 7 principles of Kwanzaa, we are able to come together and celebrate our culture with family and community. Join us as we celebrate the 3rd night of Kwanzaa in this short candle lighting ceremony.
Habari gani? Ujima. Ujima is collective work and responsibility. Ujima's reflection is, when a bird builds its nest, it uses the feathers of other birds. Harambe, 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 harambe.
If you want to learn more about Kwanzaa or Black history, check out our workbooks and guides at cmarepress.com.